Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the first character or the last character from a text string in Excel. We'll use the replace function for both tasks. Removing the first character. The syntax of the replace function is replace old text, start number, number of characters, new text, old text, the original text string start num, the position where you want to start replacing num chars, how many characters to replace new text, what to replace them with. To remove the first character, we start at 1. Replace one character and replace it with an empty text string. For example, equals replace open bracket, B2, comma 1, comma 1, comma, double quotation mark, close bracket. Press enter and copy the formula down. This removes the first character from each text string. If you wanted to remove more than one character at the start, simply change the num chars argument. For example, 2 would remove the first 2 characters. Removing the last character will use replace again. This time the start number is the position of the last character. Since text strings can have different lengths, we calculate the last character using the len function. For example, equals len open bracket, b2 close bracket. Then, our replace formula becomes equals replace open bracket, b2 comma, len open bracket, b2 close bracket, comma 1 comma, double quotation mark, close bracket. Press enter and copy down. This removes the last character from each text string. And that's it. Quick and easy ways to remove the first or last character from text in Excel. If you found this useful, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.